quality is incredible, especially knowing it's sustainable.
I know, this green duffel is exactly what I wanted. It feels great.
Keep it moving, and we need this batch ready for sterilization by noon.
Bringing the next load of sawdust now.
Contamination confirmed on this batch.
Agreed. Disposal initiated.
We need to sterilize Section 3 immediately after this.
Airflow is optimized.
Data confirms respiration rates are maximized for the leather cultures.
Growth looks good here. Watch the aisle on the left. Okay, heading to pre-processing now. Check the flexibility on this sheet. Seems strong. The cleanliness is good too.
Moisture levels are stable on this batch.
Good. Texture feels consistent as well.
Dimensions are within tolerance.
Tensile strength data is consistent across the lot.
Good. Color grading on the amber sheets is holding steady. Final inspection complete.
This gradient really emphasizes the mushroom leather texture on the handbag.
I agree. Let's try a deeper earth tone right here for contrast.
I'll adjust the saturation on the render.
This handbag is gorgeous.
The texture is incredible and it's guilt-free fashion.
We found